Hey guys, so in today's video we have a Madam Glam haul, which is actually a collab with them. They reached out to me and I said why not. So let's see what we got. So first up, they sent me a nail lamp. This is the really tiny nail lamp that you can have on the go. It's travel size. I mean, come on. So next we got this package. So I was allowed to choose 3 colors, and I got the base coat, top coat, and I asked them if I could get a matte top coat because I was going to be using that in today's set. So these are the colors that I got. This is a card. It tells you what their brand is about. It's vegan, cruelty free, etc. It gives you the steps as well. And I thought that could come out, but it's attached, which is pretty cool. We're gonna see if this works. So this is the manual. And the cord for the lamp is actually longer than other brands' cord, but it's long enough just to reach the table. So this is me struggling to open this. It actually took me longer to figure out how it works than what you're seeing in the video. So finally found it. There's a curve right there that you just pop that in and just open it like that. I don't know if there's an easier way to do it, but yeah. So it doesn't come with an adapter, so you would have to have that on hand. I'll show you mine. There it is. So just plug that in. I'm gonna plug it into the wall that I have beside me and show you how. So it stops right there. Like, I would have to do my nails at the edge of that table if I want to cure it. Or if you have an extension cord, then yeah, that'll be good. So up with the first color. This is called Boy Bye. It's a beautiful deep green. It's on the sheer side, but you can of course build it up with more coats. On the bottle it says to cure for 2 minutes, so you can cure in between each layer and build it up to your desired opacity. I really love that red and this glitter. So I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna use these 3, and you can use my code the nail court 30 for 30% off, guys. Yes, 30% off. I'm gonna leave the link to their website in the description below. Once you click that link, it will take you directly to their page where the my code will automatically be added at checkout. And if you don't want to become a VIP member, that's totally fine. Just hit the option pay as you go and you can still check out as normal. So firstly, I'm just building myself a nail. This will be a quick application for you guys, and then I'm gonna get into the design. Okay, this is it, shaped and filed and buffed and ready. So I'm gonna check if this is working because I'm charging it, but it's not turning on. I don't know what's wrong with it. I'm gonna charge it some more and see, I don't know, and let you know. So this is the set that I drew up, and I'll be doing that today. Starting off with the matte top coat. It's a velvet matte. So I'm gonna put it on to 2 fingers and I'm gonna cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds and start with my design. Now I couldn't film the entire design because I ran out of storage and I was struggling to get these footage, but I'll definitely be showing you pieces of the design. Look at how beautiful that matte is. You can see the comparison between the two end nails. So starting with this finger, we're gonna do some really long lines. It's almost like a spider web, but I'm gonna use this as like a floor, cure it halfway and then do the other half, cure it again, and then I'm gonna do some tiny lines. Once I do those, I'm gonna fill it in. So I use the red color and I use a little bit of white just to mix in and make a custom color. So you can definitely do that, get like some primary colors and a white and their black gel polish and make your own custom color. So it wasn't getting the color that I wanted, so I just dipped that red in the white. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use this on every other square that I have in the nail. You'll see me do that in a sec. So just start with any square and then do every other square. And when you're at the other line, like the line beside this one that you're gonna do, then you do the opposite square of what you did in that first line. You'll see it. If you don't understand, you'll see what I'm doing. And then for the red, you just put that in all the empty spaces. Okay, we're gonna top coat that with matte, and I'm gonna show you the glittery emerald color. Look at how beautiful that is. I love that matte finish. Okay, so glittery emerald. Absolutely fantastic. I love a good glitter. Okay, so what I did, because on the card it mentioned that you can wipe off the sticky layer that it has, so that's what I tried to do once I cured it, and it took off some of the gel. So I'm gonna paint over it again and cure it, and just I didn't wipe it off, I just went straight in with the top coat. so far we're looking good. So on that middle finger, I'm gonna go in with a bear. So I drew that off camera with the green that I had from Madame Glam, and for the lighter green I just mixed it with white to get that color. And now I'm just adding some blood drippings on this bear, and I'm gonna use the matte top coat on it. I'll show you guys that again. And for my last finger, I'm gonna use the green. So we're gonna see like how the green performs. But in the end, I think I might have like clumped up the green where the cuticle is. You can see like a pocket there. So yeah, that might be my fault, more than likely. But yeah, this is basically it for today's video. I really enjoyed these products, and I will definitely be purchasing them separately from this, because you do get a lot in the polishes. I do like the brushes that comes in the polish. Pigment is there, like it's beautiful. You see those streaks right there? You can just tilt your finger over or wait for a little bit, and the gel will self-level, and it will become like one flawless color without the streaks. So yeah, this is it for today's video. I do hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye bye.